Hey there, me, South Dakotian. Today I'm going to do a cold start with my pickup. I don't know, I may have to blow in the fuel line, but I'm not sure. Okay. Just in case. Okay. It's cold. It's cold. Make sure it's in neutral. Pump it up a few times. Close the choke. Alright. There we go. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna have to blow in the fuel lines. Piece of crap. Ah, crap. Alright. Well, I'm gonna have to blow in the fuel line. Oop, come here. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Well, it should go now. Here we go. One turn. That's all I need. You can't kill a 306. Ooh, cold. See, she'll stay running. Oh yeah, she purrs like a kitten. Oh yeah, you can tell that's cold. What a wannabe V8. Ooh. Well, there's my cold start for today. Ooh, it's cold. I'm going inside. See you guys later.